seconds. Have a drink, Wendy.
I'll have a drink, boy. Merry Christmas, everybody. This is the Dixie chOOKs, Moira and I, with our Christmas message to you. We're going to share with you. Look there she is.
Yes.
You wouldn't guess where she's just been.
I'm the production team as well.
Oh yes, she is. She's amazing. She's so skilled. So skilled. Song written by Sydney Carter to remind us that this is a time of sharing and giving, not a time of greed. We want to thank you all so much for this year and look forward to playing for you again next year.
Hope to see you next year, 2019. 2, 3, 4.
Standing in the rain, knocking on the window, knocking on the window on a Christmas day, and there he is again, knocking on the window, knocking on the window in the same old way. No use knocking on the window, there is nothing we can do, sir. All the beds are booked already, and there's nothing left for you, sir. Standing in the rain, knocking on the window, knocking on the window on a Christmas day, and there he is again, knocking on the window, knocking on the window in the same old way.
No use knocking on the window. Some are lucky, some are not so. We are godly men and women, but we're keeping what we've got, sir. Standing